This video will show you how to recalibrate the Sonance Depth Disc Gauge for Sonance Invisible Series speakers. The DG1 comes pre-calibrated for Sonance Invisible Series speakers, and it's unlikely that recalibration in the field will be necessary. However, if you feel that the depth gauge is not providing accurate readings, or if settings are unintentionally changed, you can run the following calibration in just a few simple steps. Before you begin, locate the included calibration disc. This steel disc is covered on one side with a finish equal in thickness to the material that covers the discs that are embedded in the face of the invisible speakers. This disc will be used to zero out the gauge. When navigating the menu on the DG1, note that the left and right directional buttons behave as soft keys and correspond to the options in the bottom left and right corners of the display. While not always necessary, it is a best practice to clear the previous calibration data from the depth gauge. Press the left directional button to enter the root menu. Scroll down to the calibration option and press the left directional button to enter the calibration menu. Scroll down to Clear All and press the left directional button once to select, and again to confirm that you want to clear the current calibration data. Press the probe onto the black side of the calibration disc, ensuring that you are holding the probe by the collar only. While pressing the probe against the disc, press and hold the zero calibration button. Initially, you will hear a single beep, followed by 2 additional beeps. The display should now read 0 millimeters with the word 0 flashing below. For further instructions on use of the Sonance Depth Disc Gauge, please find the link in the description below, or additional information is available on Sonance.com.